we have made the meridian in our all the fingers. तो कल हमने 3 मेरिडियन बनाए थे, 3 मेरिडियन इंडेक्स फिंगर और मिडिल फिंगर में। So 3 meridian are here. One. So this is the lung meridian. And on the opposite side, this is the large intestine meridian. Then central one is pericardium meridian. And on the opposite side, there is a triple worm meridian. Then in the index finger here, there is the heart meridian. And then the opposite side here, that is small intestine meridian. So if we look at the nails here, so meridian are coming like this: one on the corner of this nail, one on the corner of this nail, and one ending here. तो ये हमारे मेरिडियन, like LI meridian, triple warmer meridian, and the SI meridian. Then we are coming to the middle finger. अब middle finger की हम बात करते हैं. 3 meridian the middle finger. So this is the spleen meridian, this is the liver meridian, and this one is the kidney meridian. On the opposite side, if we look at the dorsal side, so stomach, gallbladder, and UV. If we draw the meridian here, so the meridian on the index finger side, stomach meridian. The middle meridian will be the gallbladder meridian, and the side meridian will be the urinary bladder meridian. तो हमारे मेरिडियन का निर्माण हो गया, right? So let's make in the other image. So this side is the large intestine, and this side will be stomach. Got it? So large intestine toward the thumb side, even the stomach will be toward the thumb side. As per the energy, we can see the similarity. Both are toward the one side. दोनों एक ही side में. So if we make the imaginary line here, we can consider both together, or if we are making one meridian, LI and ST, then the combination of these two meridians are called long meridian, LI plus ST is a long meridian. Or we know the LI plus ST together are called yang ming. इन दोनों को हम yang ming भी कहते हैं. They supply the front body. So the problem of the front side we can treat by these two meridians. In the same way, let's come to the other side. If we are going to the other side, so this is our small intestine meridian, and this is the urinary bladder meridian. As per the energetic concept, both are on the one side, on the away from thumb side. So there is a medical term toward the thumb side. We are telling radial side. And toward the small finger side, we are telling ulnar side. तो जो थंब की साइड है वो एलाई मेरिडियन रेडियल साइड हो गया, ये रेडियल साइड, बिकॉज इट्स ऑन द थंब साइड. Right? So this is the radial side. And the small intestine meridian on the other side. So SI plus UV, if we draw the imaginary line between SI and UV, SI and UV together are again long meridian, or we are telling them Tai Yang. They are supplying back part of the body. Tai Yang. Now, what's remaining? Remaining the central one. अब बीच का बाकी है. So now drawing the central meridian in the index finger, now the central meridian in the middle finger, the central meridian in the index finger, that is triple worm meridian, and the central meridian in the middle finger, that is gallbladder meridian. Then triple worm and gallbladder together are long meridian. And they are called Shaoyang. They supply the area between front and back. The area between front and back means side part of the body. Okay. So this is the front body. This is the back side of the body. Then this is the side of the body. So the front is supplied by Li and St, back is supplied by Si and Ub, and the side of the body is supplied by triple warmer and gallbladder. The meaning of side of the body, number one, side of the body, and number two, core of the body. The meaning of side, number one, this side or this side, and as per the yin yang concept, we divide the body in the two part. So this is the inner side. Central core is the inner side. So side means central core also. Got it? So side means side, side and central core. Coming back to here, तो हमने समझ लिया कि कैसे हमारी उंगलियों में मेरिडियन ट्रैवल करते हैं. Now this is our choice. We have multiple choices here. So the choice number one, we can just draw the meridian in the only upper phalanges. The choice number two, we can draw the meridian in the till the middle joint. Till the middle joint. And choice number three, we are drawing the meridian till the entire finger. Same in the middle finger, just we are drawing the meridian in the upper phalanges, or we are choosing the two phalanges, or we are choosing entire finger. ये हमारी choice है. So now we can connect the meridian. So the front meridian is connecting with the front, middle meridian we are connecting with the middle, back meridian we are connecting with the back. So these are called long meridian. Because we can perform the entire treatment just in this part. We can perform the entire treatment just in this part, or we can perform the entire treatment in this part. That's our choice. हमें देखना है कि हम क्या करेंगे, क्या करना चाहते. So all the meridian in the sequence here, Li, triple warmer and Si, and stomach, gallbladder and urinary. तो हमने 6 yang meridian की बात करी. Let's talk about the 6 yin meridian also. अब we have talked, this is the one meridian, second meridian, and the third meridian. So this is lungs meridian, this is pericardium meridian, and this is the heart meridian. So the lung meridian is toward the radial side. The heart meridian is toward the ulnar side. And pericardium meridian is in the center. So this side is supplying the front body. This side is supplying the back part of the body. And the center is supplying side of the body and the core of the body. Central core. In the same way, we are drawing the three meridian here in the middle finger. अब हम तीन meridian middle finger में draw कर रहे हैं. We know this is the spleen, liver, and kidney. So again, spleen will supply the front part of the body. Kidney will supply the back part of the body. And liver will supply the side and the core. So spleen will be front, liver will be middle, kidney will be back side. Now, spleen and the lung will make long meridian. So lung is front and the spleen is front. Both together are making the long meridian. And we know this also called thigh yin. इसे हम thigh yin भी कहते हैं. It supplies the front part of the body. Then heart and kidney. We can see the heart here, the back line, the kidney here, the back line, heart and kidney. Now these are also making long meridian. So we can see this is the heart meridian and the kidney meridian. And this is called Shaoyin. That is supply the back part of the body. Now what is left? The middle is left. Pericardium and liver. So pericardium and liver. This is also long meridian. They're supplying the central part of the body or the core of the body. Pericardium and liver. And we know this is called Zu-in. Again, there are three options. फिर से तीन ऑप्शंस हैं आपके पास. ड्रॉ करते जाइए साथ साथ में. तो याद रहेगा और सुबह सुबह की नींद भी भाग जाएगी। तो देखिए, whether you draw the meridian only in this phalanges or you draw the meridian in the two phalanges or you draw the meridian in all the three phalanges, all are right. You can choose as per your own wish. Then these are the imaginary connecting meridian. Why we are connecting? We are connecting just to show you that these meridian are very deeply interconnected. Front connected with the front, back connected with the back, middle is connected with the. So now we know the front meridian is lung, then the pericardium, then the heart, then the spleen, liver and kidney. बना रहे हैं, कोई नींद में तो नहीं है? कोई नींद में तो हाथ उठाए। सब लिख रहे हैं ना बराबर। अभी कैमरा तो ऑफ है, नहीं तो लैपटॉप ओपन करके सुन रहे हैं, फिर बाद में मीटिंग खत्म होगी तो अपने आप ही मीटिंग बंद हो जाएगी, है ना। सब बैठे हुए हैं ना। रूबी कुमारी जी, आर यू अलर्ट? अलर्ट, सब लोग अलर्ट है ना? हाँ, देखो दुबई में लोग जाग गए भी। मोनिका, सब अलर्ट हैं? ओके, परफेक्ट। कुछ कुछ लोग नींद में लग रहे हैं अभी भी। कनिष्का जी तो एक्टिव लग रही हैं, अच्छे नोट्स बना रही हैं, है ना। कितने लोग लिख रहे हैं, ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं? हाउ मेनी पर्सन आर ड्रॉइंग? आर यू ड्रॉइंग? वंडरफुल, देन इट्स गुड। ड्रॉ करना। अरे शरद जी भी जाग गए। चलिए, लोग अलर्ट हैं तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो वी हैव गॉट मल्टीपल चॉइसेस नाउ। इतनी सारी चॉइस मिल गई। अब यही बात पैरों में भी है। अब अगर आप पैरों में चले जाइए, इफ यू गो इन द फीट, ओके, पैरों में जाने के पहले हम आपको बता दें, लाइक दिस इज द ह्यूमन बॉडी। So we are looking the human body from two sides, front and back. In the front, we are having one extraordinary meridian. क्या नाम है इसका? In the back side also we have one extraordinary meridian. This is also extraordinary meridian, extraordinary vessels. So the front meridian is called CV meridian and the back meridian is called DU meridian. फ्रंट को हम रेन भी कहते हैं और बैक को हम गवर्निंग बेसल मेरिडियन भी कहते हैं. These are the extra meridian or EOB, extraordinary basal meridian, right? So as per the concept of microsystem, because they are supplying the central part of the body and they are supplying the central part of the head region, हमारे head के central part को supply करते हैं. We can see one meridian supplying the front part of the body, one meridian supplying the back part of the body. And as per the Suzhou microsystem, also we know that the thumb is head. We know the thumb is head. So one meridian we can draw here, who is supplying the front part of the body, and one meridian we can draw on the back side. So one meridian supplying here the front part of the body, and one meridian supplying the back part of the body. So in the thumb we can imagine this is the CV meridian, and in the thumb we can imagine this governing basal meridian. ये एक सोच अभी थोड़ा दिमाग में रखना है, इसके बारे में हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. But right now, just I want to bring this thought, because we are drawing lots of meridian in both the fingers. If we talk about the thumb, we can draw one central meridian in the front side, that is CV, and one meridian on the back side, that is governing basal. थोड़ा सा इस कंसेप्ट को ध्यान में रखिएगा बस, लेकिन अभी इस पर ज्यादा फोकस नहीं करना है. Now in the same way we talk about the feet. अगर हम feet की बात करें, so we already know if this is the feet. मैं फीट की बात इसलिए कर रहा हूं कि आपको आश्चर्य होगा कि दर्द में फीट ज्यादा प्रभावकारी है, राइट? सो बी हैव आई जस्ट हैव ड्रॉन only two toes here, right? So you just don't get stuck. केवल हाथों तक सीमित मत रहिए, थोड़ा ट्रीटमेंट पैरों में भी करिए, थोड़ा पैरों का भी प्लान करते रहिए. थोड़ा और बना देते हैं तो आपको पता चले कि ये पैर ही है, नहीं तो आप सोचेंगे कि भाई ये कैसा पैर है. ओके, ये पैर हो गया. So now the three meridian in the index finger, index toe, three meridian in the middle toe. So this is the lung meridian, pericardium meridian, and the heart meridian. In the same way, this is the spleen meridian, liver meridian, and the kidney meridian. Same concept we have to follow. बस पैरों में क्या होता है, उंगलियां इतनी छोटी होती है ना कि आपको जॉइंट ढूंढना पड़ता है. Now, in the thumb, we can draw this CB meridian. Now, coming to the back side. So, we can draw the 3 meridian here. And 3 meridian here. Now, same concept is the large intestine meridian, the central is the triple warmer meridian, and the side is the small intestine. Now, this is the stomach meridian and gallbladder meridian and the urinary bladder. जो हाथ में था वो पैर में है, and this is the governing vessel. Same concept need to follow. Got it? Okay, now coming back to the hand. So now look at all the finger here. We are having two groups. One this group and one this group. In this group, we are considering index finger or just go in a very simple way. Just if we are making the mirror image of these two finger here. अगर इन्हीं दो फिंगर की हम मिरर इमेज इन दो फिंगर पर बना दें, तो we know that these are the 3 meridian here. The same 3 meridian will be reflecting in the small finger. We know as per the Sujok microsystem also. This is the concept. आपको मालूम होगा. In the Sujok microsystem, we know this is the head, thumb is head. This is arm. And this is also arm. And these two are leg, as per the Sujok microsystem. So we can see one arm this side, one arm other side. In the same way, whatever the meridian in the leg here, in the middle finger, the same meridian we can draw in the ring finger. So it means we have already made all the meridian in the 2 finger only, index and the middle finger. And we can also make all the same meridian in the mirror image in the remaining 2 finger. तो इनमें भी बना सकते हैं. For example, look at here. So if the three meridian are here, lungs, pericardium and the heart. The same three meridian we can draw here, lungs, pericardium and the heart. Exactly look like mirror, जैसे आप मिरर में देखें. Now coming to the middle finger, the three meridian here, there is the spleen, liver and kidney. The same here, spleen, liver and kidney, exactly mirror. तो हमारे जो भी हमने मेरिडियन इन दो फिंगर में बनाए हैं, हम इनमें भी बना सकते हैं, राइट. इन द सेम वे वी कैन गो ऑन द बैक साइड. हम सेम बैक साइड में भी जा सकते हैं ऐसे. In the back side, we are drawing the one meridian here, LI, one meridian here, and one meridian here. So LI, triple warmer and SI. Same meridian we can draw here, LI, triple warmer and SI, exactly mirror. Now coming to the middle finger, three meridian the middle finger. We know that is stomach meridian, gallbladder meridian and the urinary bladder meridian. The same meridian we can draw in the ring finger. Stomach meridian, gallbladder meridian and the urinary bladder meridian. So that's our choice, whether we want to use the index and the middle finger for the treatment or the ring and the small finger for the treatment. This treatment is very effective. The same concept will be applicable in the legs. हमारे पैरों में भी यही concept applicable होगा. Now, in one hand, both side, meridian is to be taken. Yes, right? We are taking the meridian both sides. तो आपका होमवर्क आज का ये है कि आपको you need to draw hand and you have to draw meridian in all the four fingers. Just draw the lines and write down this is the lungs, this is the pericardium, this is the heart, because I want to make sure that you're writing this is the lungs, and the small finger also you're writing this side is the lungs, right? पैरों में भी ड्रॉ करना है लाइंस को और बस उनके नाम लिख देना है। ये आपका होमवर्क होगा। क्लियर? Now let's move ahead a little bit more. So if we look at any finger, if we are looking the any finger, suppose I am drawing this line. I'm taking the example of one line. And if I take 1 point here in the center, one point here in the center, and 2 point definitely on the junction of the fingers, and 1 point here. There is a purpose why we are doing like that. Because when we are talking about the energies, like the yang energies and the yin energies, yin energy is heavy and yang energy is very light. So yin energy want to settle in very small place. So yin energy will be settling only in this much place. And the yang energy want to occupy more place. So this is the yang points. They will be occupying more points. So in this way, we know the 3 points in the yang and the 3 points in the yin. So 3 points in the yang, that is wind, heat, hotness. And 3 points in the yin, that is humidity, dryness, and the coldness. So the same way, this is the point, wind, this is the heat, and this is the hotness. And this is the humidity, dryness, and coldness. You can see entire yin is settling in only one phalanges. But the yang is taking 2 phalanges near about. I will repeat these points in the other any line. So these are the 3 points of the yin, is humidity, dryness, and coldness. And these are the 3 points of the yang, wind, heat, and hotness. हमने जितने भी लाइन बनाई है उन सब में ये कंसेप्ट एप्लीकेबल होगा, जितनी भी लाइन बनाई। This concept will be applicable only on the yin side. केवल yin side में applicable. yang side में थोड़ा अलग होगा. We'll discuss. So we are drawing the 3 line here. We are drawing the 3 line here. In the every line we can make the points. All the upper point are hotness. The second point is heat. Then the wind. Humidity, dryness, and coldness. जितने भी points हैं, जितने भी meridian, we know that there is a lung meridian. So now we know all the 6 points in the lung meridian. Now we can increase the hotness in the lung, we can decrease the hotness in the lung, we can increase the heat in the lungs, we can decrease the heat in the lungs, we can manipulate the coldness, dryness, humidity, whatever we want in the lungs, in the same way in every meridian. हर एक मेरिडियन को अब हम कितना भी मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? ये बात तब है जब हमने तीनों फैलेंजेस ले लिए. अगर हम 2 ही फैलेंजेस लेते तो बात बदल जाती है. If we are just taking 2 phalanges, then matter will be different. If we are just taking the 2 phalanges, now we are just taking 2 phalanges. ट्रीटमेंट यहां भी होगा और यहां भी होगा, वो आपकी चॉइस. और दोनों ट्रीटमेंट बहुत प्रभावकारी है. Both treatment will be very, very effective. Now we only have 2 phalanges. So upper phalanges for yang and lower phalanges for yin. So now we are making the 3 points in the upper phalanges. So these are the bend, heat, hotness. Bend, heat and hotness. और नीचे का phalanges. Now be only little space left. We know that yin want to settle in the very small place. So we are making 2 points. And third point on the joint on itself. So 2 point at the equal distance, because yin want to settle in the small place. So that is humidity, dryness and coolness. Humidity, dryness and coolness. तो ये पूरा इलाज हमारे 2 phalanges में हो जाएगा. Now we know all the points of the lungs, all the points of the pericardium, and all the point of the heart, all the point of the spleen, all the points of the liver, and all the points of the kidney. Now the same thing we can do in only one phalanges. हम केवल एक phalanges में भी सारा का सारा ट्रीटमेंट कर सकते हैं. Let's see. So now we are taking 3 meridian here, only in upper phalanges. Let's first divide from the center. Now the upper part for yang and the lower part for yin. So 3 point for yang. That is bend, heat and hotness. And what is left in the lower part? Yin want to settle in the small place. So 3 point. 2 point exactly in the center, 1 point in the joint. That is humidity, dryness and coolness. तो केवल एक phalanges में हमने पूरी एनर्जीज बना दी. So now those who has little more time, they can draw these meridian on the all 3 phalanges, 2 phalanges, then 1 phalanges, but don't do in the yang side, because yang side we have not understood. So enough for today. आज के लिए इतना काफी है जगीशा जी.
Can I ask you a question? Sir,
Yes, please.
if we want to put a magnet, so we can't do that. In like if we are doing it on one phalange, the magnet itself is like covering up lot many area. So in magnet part we can't do this, or we can.
Yeah, we'll discuss that how to do with magnet. It will be coming, right? We can do in the
Yes.
finger. We
Yeah.
can do with the magnets. Yeah, we can do with the magnets.
Yeah.
No, it's very easy to do with the magnets, and even with
Thank
the
you.
seeds, seed of the weeds, beet seed. We'll discuss that. It's coming,
Okay.
right? Because points are small and
Okay.
magnet are,
Fine. Yeah.
they have a small magnet. Small magnet are very small, right? We can easily do.
Yeah.
We have done,
Not able to pick up also.
but we have not discussed then how
Okay.
to how. It's coming.
Yeah,
First,
it's
we have to
just came,
understand.
that thought came, so I'm asking that. Yeah.
Okay, okay. We'll discuss. It's coming in the path.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. The beauty of these treatment is this: now you have freedom. You do with the magnet, you do with the needle, you do with the seeds, whatever seeds available, you do with the leaves, you do with the plant stem. Now you are going somewhere, but you don't have anything in your hand. You can use any object, you can do with the color, everything, whatever you are having in your hand, you can do the treatment. Right? So we'll discuss that thing. It's coming. So enough for today. Let's close the session. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a blessed day. Closing.